You're probably hearing everywhere on the news that the real estate market is going to burst and that home prices are going to plummet. So is now actually a good time to buy a house, or should you just hold off indefinitely? Well, when you look at the data, we are down here in DFW about 11% in average home prices since we peaked back in May. However, we still are up 8% year to date because of how well we performed early 2022. And there are various pricing forecasts for 2023, like from Realtor.com, who are actually projecting 5.4% price increases, to Zelman, who are projecting 5.1% price decreases. And when you take those and other predictions into account, we're actually averaging a prediction of about 0.1% price change, essentially flat for 2023. Now, I don't know about you, but 0.1% change doesn't sound like a crash to me. And here in DFW, we still have low inventory of about 2.8 months supply. And that low inventory, combined with the potential for decreases in interest rates as we get into Q1 and Q2 of 2023, could just bump prices up even more.